have constant ringing in your ears and you have been told there is nothing you can do, that's not true. Hi, I'm Dr. Shema Yalchinkaya, a tinnitus specialist and audiologist, and I have had tinnitus for many years, so I know exactly how it feels. I tried everything: diets, sound therapy, mindfulness, supplements, but what truly worked was training my brain to tune it out. It's called habituation, and it's life-changing. My tinnitus is still there, but now I barely notice it because I rewire how my brain responds to the sound using science-backed techniques, and that's exactly what I teach in my program, the Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework. It's a step-by-step path using CBT, ACD, sound therapy, and mindfulness to help you finally get relief. You can take your life back even with tinnitus, and I will show you in that program how to do that. If you want to learn more about my habituation framework for tinnitus relief, check out the link in my bio. You can join the waiting list.